Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn about how we can give output and take input from user in Python. But first, we should know about some basic data types in Python. As a beginner, you should know about three mainly used data types. They are strings, integer, and Boolean data types. The string data type is closed within an inverted comma so that the computer knows where the string starts and ends. The integer data type is used to store numbers. We can use float data type to store decimal values, but we will learn about it later. The Boolean data type can only store one of the two values, either true or false. We will learn about Boolean data type when we will learn conditional statements. I hope you all have a basic understanding about what data types are. So, now open VS Code. When you open VS Code for the first time, you will see this screen. You have to click on the icon on the top left of the sidebar. Then click on Open Folder button. Now choose any folder you want to. I will make a new folder to keep my other files separate. To make a new file, you have to take your cursor near the folder name which you opened. The first button is used to make a new file, and the second is used to make a new folder. I will make a new file named sample.py. The first thing you need to know is how you can take input from the user in Python. But before that, you should know that we have to store it in a variable. You can name a variable according to your wish. I will name my variable as imp. So, Python is a simple language. To take input from the user, you just have to call the input function. In Python, we call functions by writing their name and putting parentheses after it. To store the input in a variable, we put an equal to sign in between. And now we have our user's input in a variable named imp. The next thing you need to know is how you can get output from your programs. To give an output, the print function is used. As I told you, we will add parentheses in between. But unlike the input function, we will write anything in between the parentheses to print it on our screen. As I told you before, any string is closed within inverted commas. So I will write hello world within inverted commas to make it a string. And now, your code is complete. Your program will take input from the user, and after that it will print hello world. To run your code, you have click on the Run button at the top right. A window will open at the bottom of your screen. This is called the terminal window. This window will be used to give input and take output from the program. Now, the first was the input command, so I will give a random input and press enter. And see the print statement is executed after it. Congratulations, you have made your first program. Now, the next thing you should know is that the input function stores user's input in string format. This means that everything that the user type will be stored in the variable inp in a string. Now I will do a simple thing. We can join two strings in Python using the plus sign. So if I put a plus sign after hello world string and write inp, then the program will print hello world and then the user's input after that. You see, it's simple. We take input from user and then add hello world in front of it. Now you know how to do some basic things. I will make a simple program for fun. I will comment out all the lines. Comments are just some notes or description written by a programmer. They're not executed by the computer, so you can write anything, just don't forget to add a hashtag before it. Now I will again take input from user and store it in IMP. But before taking input, I want the program to ask the user for his name. So I will add a print statement and write a string, enter your name. And then after that, I will print another line. Print hello plus INP, that is the name of the user that was entered by him. Now I will run the code and write my name as coding corner. Now see, it print Hello Coding Corner. And congratulations, you have made another program. These small projects might seem useless at first, but remember they are all your foundation. You will be able to write useful code when you know these basics, and soon I will teach you how you can make useful code. So please make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed learning. In the next video, we will learn about operators in Python. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.